welcome to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to show you how to make the cat eye by using the liquid eyeliner. So let's start. So after applying your eyeshadow, the only thing you have to do is take a brush and the liquid eyeliner. So you have to take from the outer corner to the end of your brow, make like an angle, and you make like a line just to know that where to start, and then do the same thing on the other brow. Okay, now by using a small mirror you can start doing it from the outer corner to the dot, so you're just connecting them. Then after doing that, what you have to do is going backwards through the upper lashes line, and then just fill the empty spots. Okay, so when you have the outer part made, the only thing you have to do is like you go through the inner corner over the lash line, and you make a line and connect the one you previously did. You connect it, and you can make it bigger if you want. And that's it. Now let's do the other side. And that's it. And then, because I want my eyes to look bigger, I'm going to put white eyeliner over my waterline. And mascaras. So this is the final look after applying the mascara. Let me show you one side and the other side. I hope you all like my video. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye bye.